Over the past few years, we've seen the Internet of Things transform industries and lives alike. And now, intelligence is no longer just in the cloud. It's moving to the edge. Devices are no longer just connected, they're becoming context-aware, autonomous, and adaptive. From factories that diagnose their own faults to vehicles that learn from every route, the future of IoT demands hardware that thinks. Introducing Cavli Wireless's Smart Module series. These modules are more than a modem. They are an intelligent core that powers next-generation IoT experiences with processing, security, and global connectivity, all in one. Engineered for the demands of tomorrow, these modules are the go-to choice when applications demand high-resolution displays and sharp graphical output. Class-leading processor with top-tier performance. Multi-constellation GNSS for pinpoint accuracy. Reliable 4G LTE connectivity with truly global reach. Presenting the CQS29X series, Cavli's LTE Cat4 Smart Modules. Designed for speed, intelligence, and seamless integration, with data speeds up to 150 megabits per second downlink and 50 megabits per second uplink. Powered by an ARM quad-core Cortex-A53 CPU and Adreno 702 GPU. The CQS29X series, consisting of CQS290, 91, and 92, delivers stunning graphics and performance, ideal for e-mobility, telematics, and fleet solutions. Our latest addition, the CQS315, is the next-generation LTE Cat4 Smart Module, built for performance-intensive IoT environments. Equipped with 150 megabits per second downlink and 50 megabits per second uplink speeds, the CQS315 features Qualcomm's Cryo 260 CPU and Adreno 610 GPU, ideal for applications like smart kiosks, industrial automation, drone control, and intelligent surveillance. Across the Smart Series lineup, every module is integrated with features of 2G fallback, OS options between Android and Linux, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5, alongside the core capabilities. Plus, at the core lies Cavli's Open SDK, empowering OEMs to customize and extend functionalities for their unique applications. But Cavli's innovation doesn't stop at hardware. What truly elevates our modules is Cavli Hubble, our intelligent connectivity and device management platform that turns hardware into smart, self-aware systems. At Cavli Wireless, our mission is not just to engineer advanced connectivity solutions. We're on a quest to power the invisible intelligence that connects our world.